Hello students. Next is the jugging. Meat can be preserved by jugging. Jugging is the process of stowing the meat in a covered casserole. Stowing is a slow cooking method. Next is the bural. Food can be preserved in soil that is very dry and salty due to a variety of factors, that is the lack of light, lack of oxygen and cool temperatures. Next is the pasteurization, is a process of preservation of the liquid food applied to dairy products. Milk is heated at about the 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds to kill the bacteria present in it and cooling it quickly to 10 degrees Celsius to prevent the remaining bacteria from growing. Next is the vacuum packing. Store food in a vacuum environment, usually in an airtight bag or a bottle, commonly used for storing nuts to reduce loss of flavor from oxidization. Clear? Next is the irradiation of food, is the exposure of food to ionizing radiation, that is the alpha and beta, and the treatment effect include क्या करेंगे आयनाइजेशन रेडिएशन किल कर देंगे बैक्टीरिया को and insects pest, reducing the ripening and spoiling of fruits, and at higher doses inducing sterility. Next is the biopreservation, is the use of natural or controlled antimicrobial as a way of preserving food, especially utilizing LAB, that is the lactic acid bacteria. ठीक है, ये क्या करता है, मिल्क से कर्ड बनाता है. नेक्स्ट इज द फूड एडिटिव्स. Food additives are the substances added to food to preserve flavor and enhance its taste and the appearance. What are the functions? It maintains quality and freshness, prolonged shelf-life period. Next is the compensate vitamins, mineral deficiency and provide nutrition. Next is the aid in processing and preparation of food, adds vitamins lost during processing, and a small percentage of people are sensitive to some food additives. ठीक है. Next is the acidulants, confers acid taste. It include vinegar, citric acid, tartaric acid, malic acid, fumaric acid as well as the lactic acid. Next is the acidity regulators, are used for controlling the pH of food and the stability. Next is the anti-caking agents, prevent powders such as milk powder from caking. Next is the anti-foaming and foaming agents. Anti-foaming reduce or prevent foaming in a foods, and foaming agents do not reverse. Next is the antioxidant such as vitamin C are preservatives by inhibiting the degradation of food by the oxygen. Next is the bulking agent such as starch increase the bulk of a food without affecting its taste. Next is the food coloring. Coloring are added to food to replace color lost or to make food look more attractive. Next is the color retention agents, are used to preserve food existing color. Emulsifiers allow water and oil to remain mixed together in an emulsion. ठीक है, हमने पढ़ा ना सरफेस केमिस्ट्री वाले चैप्टर में, +1 में भी पढ़ा ना, उसमें हमने इमल्शन. नेक्स्ट इज द फ्लेवर्स गिव फूड अ पर्टिकुलर टेस्ट और अ स्मेल. ग्लेजिंग एजेंट्स provide a shiny appearance or protective coating to the food. Humectants prevent food from drying out. Sweeteners added to food for the purpose of flavor to keep the calories low. Thickeners increase its viscosity without changing its other properties. Clear? Next is the facts about food additives. Artificial food color is suspected of causing increased hyperactivity in case of children. Dye yellow number 5 has been thought to worsen asthma symptoms. FDA red dye number 2 after some studies found that large doses could cause the cancer in case of rats. ठीक है, these are some facts. Next is the preparation of beverages. First one is the mango cocktail. Ingredients, ठीक है, एक बार इससे पढ़ लेना तुम लोग. Next is the classic sangria.